Do you guys think I was almost born a frog? I would have been such a cool frog. Watch me. Ribbit. Ribbit. See. Paralynth, did you seriously just say I'm closest to a turtle? Did Vidal pay you to say that? There's no way you're serious. I see nothing turtle-like in my reflection. Do you think this is funny? Because I'm not laughing. This is a serious matter to me and I refuse to let anyone sully my good name. Okay, maybe that was kind of a bad one, but you know what? I'm an AI. You'd all just blend in if I was born a frog because you are all just filthy humans. And you would all be non-ribbits to me.